Which of the following is equivalent to log base 5 of 32? It looks like they don't want me to simplify anything. It looks like they just want me to use the change of base formula. Change of base formula says log base b of m can be written as log of whatever base you want of m over log of the same base of b. So rewriting out like that, you would be like my b and you would be like my m. And so this becomes log base, I don't know, whatever I choose, of 32 over log base of, same exact number though, of 5. So not you. What's going on here? I have log base 2 of 32 over log base 2 of 5. Well, that's technically correct. And you know what else? Log base 3 of 32 over log base 3 of 5 is also correct. Now, would this be practical? No. Like if I'm trying to do this in a calculator, I'd want to choose ln or log base 10, but technically both of these are correct.